Hello po mga kanayo natin dyan, mga ka-townshippers. Ito po gumagawa ulit po ako ng uh, breaded fish. I forgot the name. Sorry. It's right there. I'm gonna flip it over so it will be cooked all throughout, because inside that breaded gourmet is the fish, minced fish fillet. So I'm making let me show you bulalo. The infamous bulalo, the famous dish. Oh, it's splashed. Oh my god, it's right there. It's bulalo right there, mga kanayon, mga ka-townshippers natin dyan. Magki-clean up na naman po ako, nag-splash na naman po ako ng sabaw. Here, that's the bulalo. Can you guys see it? Yeah, because let me put it here. Yeah. So I didn't eat my greens yet. That's cucumbers, spinach. I don't have dandelions anymore. Onions. And then cilantro. That's my greens right now. And that's my bulalo. So I'm gonna go clean that up, the mess that I did. I don't know if you can guys see it. I don't want it to get dried up and it will stain the appliances or the tiles there or the stove. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to Julie to Sway and peace out.